Another rugged phone that will be launching on the 12th of June is the Oukitel WP26. This device reminds me of the Unihertz tank because of the huge flashlight it has at the rear. In fact, I think I'll compare this device with the Unihertz tank to see which of the two devices has the best specs. Anyway, as regarding the top features, they are not bad. The device is going to be backed by a 10,600 mAh battery, and I believe it's going to support fast charging. It is going to be powered by the Helio P90, which is disappointing in my opinion. The P90 is a very old chip. I think it was released in 2018, so it's about 5 years old now. Some of the rugged phones that's going to be launching on the 12th of June that I've talked about on the channel, for example, the Qbot King Kong 9, the Ulefone Amor 21, and the EF 150 Raptor will be launching with the Helio G99. So that means that these upcoming rugged phones would be far more powerful than the Oukitel WP26. The Helio P90 isn't bad, it's still a very capable processor, but it's very old. The WP26 is also going to utilize 8GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. And as regarding the cameras of the device, the phone would feature a triple rear camera setup, which consists of a 48MP primary camera, 20MP night vision, and an additional camera. The phone has a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with an IPS LCD panel. The refresh rate is, of course, 60 Hz. The Helio P90 doesn't support 120 Hz or 90 Hz, just 60 Hz. So this device is stuck at 60 Hz. So these are some of the top features of the upcoming Oukitel WP26. Once I get more details about the device, I'll update you guys. If you'd like to share anything about this upcoming rugged phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.